This is my 9th video. Last week I did not tell you because why? It is FAT number 8 video. So today is my 9th video. And for the 9th video is the last P. And what is the last P? The last P is called personal. Personal development. Okay, personal development. Well, now, whether I spell right or wrong, remember, today's topic is not about spelling. So as long as you understand me, what am I talking about? Personal development. Now, what is personal development? You got to spend 10 to 15% of your income on this personal development, attending courses, attending seminars. You got to invest in yourself, because if you don't invest in yourself, how do you want to learn? How do you want to have knowledge? You see, all your ideas come from your personal development. So my friends, so DWG has given you so much personal development. We hire trainers from outside, Eric Frank, Billy Craig, Gordon, all just to teach you to how to grow to yourself. But after when you learn, you make use of your personal development. But for me, when I was a selling person, doing real estate, I spend 20%, 30% on my personal development. I attend so many courses, so many courses until what? President Dunham gave me a life learning award. You know that? $78,000 worth of personal development. And I learn and learn and learn. So that's where I am today. Why? Because I learned so much on my personal development. So I encourage you all to go and attend all these courses. Learn, especially selling courses. Then when you learn, you do it, you go and do it outside. But you will say, hey, how can I do it? This is not me. The American guy can teach you how to say words, but I cannot, because why? I am only a Singaporean agent. Now, my friends, that's where people fail. Because why? When you learn, you must use the words. Use the words to make your sales, and sales will come eventually. For example, when you do a listing presentation, when you want to close the sale, you can say that, excuse me, Mr. Seller, there are 3 types of agents. All are good agents. Some are better than the others. But what a coincidence, you meet the best agent. And then when you say that you meet the best agent, you must have the courage to say that you are best agent. You go and sell. Why are you the best? I am the best because, you see, you must learn. That one will come to another topic of listing presentation. But you must tell them, you must use the words. For the field and farm method, closing statement, so much. You learn on all this is personal development. Now, see, the four P's is so important. Prospecting, presentation skill, product knowledge, personal development. Now, my friends, I want to ask you this. You see, when you get the 4 P's, I will tell you this, to make it 100%, I will give prospecting what? 50%, right? Presentation skill, I will give what? I'll give 20%. Now, product knowledge, I'll give 20%. The personal development, I'll give 10%. Then equals to what? 100%. That means the chart shows that if you don't do much of this, prospecting skill sells, because why? That's a key word for sales. Now, presentation skill is how you improve your salesmanship, how you talk. You must do for public speaking, to do all this. I went for this Dale Carnegie's public speaking to learn to improve myself. Now, product knowledge, again, you can learn from the seller, from the book, and anything you can learn from product knowledge. But personal development is you pay to invest yourself, and I want you to invest because you need to invest. You cannot just keep still and waiting for what? Waiting for the buyer and the seller to give it to you. So my friends, remember, to make it 100%. So if you can remember the 4 P's, you are halfway to become a successful. I say only halfway because there's a lot to learn. There's a lot to learn. You must learn so much. So, but you just focus on these 4 P's, and the 4 P's will help you to sell. So thank you very much, my friends. Remember the 4 P's of the DWG teaching. So I want you to remember all these things, because I, Dennis Wee, have learned all this and I practice it so hard. That's why I am here today. Thank you again.